Hello everyone! Welcome to English for Fun with teacher Alice, and today let's learn a new letter. Let's start. Can you make the letter sound? I can show you how. What letter shall we learn? Let's find out now. And today we're going to learn the letter P. This is the capital P. This is the lowercase p. Now you know how he look like. Let's make the letter sound. P, 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 p. P for pineapple. P for pen. P for purple. P for plant. P for picture. P for pencil. This is a letter P. 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 Let's write it down. P. 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 P for pineapple. 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 P for pen. 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 B for plant. 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 P for purple. 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 P for picture. 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 This is the letter P. 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 Now let's play a game. What is it? Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, now! What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? It's a pen. It's a pen. What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? It's a plant. It's a plant. What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? It's purple color. It's purple color. What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? It's a picture. It's a picture. What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? It's a pineapple. It's a pineapple. Well done. Good job. I hope you will enjoy the video, and if you want to keep on learning and having fun with us, click like, subscribe. It's teacher Alice and it's English for Fun. See you next time. Bye bye for now.